Now that I know that the items have been received, we can go ahead and process the manufacturing orders. So I can go to the inventory back and process them here, or I can go through the manufacturing module if the operations are split into different departments, so different people take care of different things. I can go here. I can see that this is now available. I'll go ahead and click this. So all the components are here. The way that we have manufacturing set up right now is just a simple conversion of some components into finished goods. So if I go ahead and click produce, the system will ask me how many I'm making. So I will go ahead and say yes, 3. Now the process has started. I will click mark as done in here. And so now these items are produced. So if I will go back to my list of items in here and refresh this, let's see if I can just do this here. I can see that I have now 3 fan motor assemblies on hand. The switches were used up. The motors were used up, of course, as well. So electric motors, we have 0 on hand. And then the system also knows that on hand we have 3 motors, but forecasted quantity is 0 because 3 of them are already allocated. I'll go back to the manufacturing orders, the list of them, and so now I can go ahead and produce the portable motors as well, the portable fans. I'll check availability to see if they're here. Yes, all the components are now available for this. I'll go ahead and click produce and finish the production. These items are now made as well. So there are no more pending manufacturing orders.